Welcome to my channel Sunshine Classics. My name is Ralph and I want to invite you on a world trip to automotive history. Have fun! This time I'm in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and the place is called Oldies Works Chiang Mai. They're restoring old Volkswagen, but also Porsche and other cars. So this is a Karmann Ghia 14, the small one. In the back, the blue one is a 34, also a Karmann Ghia. And these are the cars they're working on right now. Beetle convertible. So here Type 3 or Karmann Ghia is a lot of them. A fastback Type 3. So all the cars in Thailand are right-hand drive because they drive on the left side in Thailand. This should be maybe a Porsche 912, could be a 911, I'm not sure. Also Type 3. A lot of nice buses. So these were built until 1967 with this front. So if you like these cars, the Volkswagen, there's another video on my channel where I went to a junkyard in Arkansas in the US, and you can see thousands of cars there. So just check out my channel. So here we got a split window. I think it was a 51, he told me, the owner. It's the oldest Beetle in Thailand. So left-hand drive, so probably he got it from Europe. Another Beetle convertible from the 50s. A Fridolin. A Ford Thunderbird from the early 60s. Another Karmann Ghia. And here we got another 356. An Ovali Beetle. They had the rear window till 1957. And here in the garage there's a split window. Thank you very much for watching.